Mama, do you want to explain to everyone why we moved locations?
Well, we kind of had to move locations because our dog, every time I rustle the paper for the packets, she thinks she's getting snacks.
Yes.
So we have transferred to the office.
And locked ourselves in the room.
Locked us, yes. We are, well, not really. We just closed the door. We're not locked in here.
We're going to hear scratching at the door shortly.
Maybe.
Yes.
So we're going to now, I'm going to now open, this is the Walt Disney World.
50 years
50.
collection peek with 12 exclusive figures, and this one may have a bonus figure. Will we finally get lucky and get the bonus figure, Mama?
I sure hope so, because we have not at this point. So
I
know, and we're due.
Yes, we are.
So let's find out.
All right. So for everyone's reference, we did not get the bonus figure because we have 12. We are due for a bonus figure. Right, Mom?
We are.
Yes.
And I am already ready to guess this first
one. Wow, that was quick.
This is Donald Duck. You guys, it's tough on this one because there's so many Mickey Mouses and Minnie Mouses with ears, but
There's only one, there's two Donalds. So,
well, it's a Donald Duck.
Okay.
I'm not sure which one.
All right, so it's either Space Mountain or Jungle Cruise.
Yes.
So open it up and guess. See, are you right? Is it Donald?
It is.
It is Jungle Cruise. Let me show everybody.
Super cute.
Very cute. And we are gonna put this on the edge of the desk. Who do you think that one is, Mom?
I believe this is the second Donald, which would be Space Mountain Donald. And that was just strictly by chance. Is it Space Mountain Donald?
Space Mountain, Mama.
He is actually quite
He's really cute.
Lavender color.
Well, and I like how he's like, what's the word that I want? Spray painted too? Like he's got a fade going on him. He's super cute.
This one
you're quick today.
Yeah, well, this one is a Daisy Duck, so it could either be It's a Small World Duck or the Mad Tea Party.
All right.
I believe. Oh, I am incorrect. I am so sorry.
Is it Daisy Duck?
No. How the heck did I do that? You know what? I was feeling the feet instead. This is actually Mad Tea Party. This is Mad Tea Party Mickey Mouse.
I don't know how you got Mickey and Minnie goofed up.
No, Mickey and Daisy. Yeah, yeah.
Oh, but look, he is adorable.
He is adorable.
Oh my gosh, I love his ears and how they're swirly. So stinking cute. All right, let's give her a minute to guess. All right, Mom, who is it?
This one is a Daisy. So whether it's a Small World or Mad Tea Party, let's find out. Okay, let me, I can tear it open. There we go. And I believe it's a Small World. No, it's not.
No.
This is Mad Tea Party, and she's super cute. Look at her little bow.
Oh, look at how
Her
cute.
bow almost reminds me of a butterfly. It's very cute.
Too stinking adorable. Let's put her with the rest while Mom guesses. Mama, what character is that in your hands?
It's either Mickey or Minnie. I'll guess Minnie.
All right.
Let's see.
And you were right.
I am right. It is
Mad Tea Party
Mad Tea
Minnie.
Party Minnie. She is super cute.
I'm dying, everyone. I'm dying.
She's not. Don't want that.
No. All right, look at how cute she is. Let's go put her with the rest. All right, Mama, who is it?
I'm guessing either Space Mountain Mickey or It's a Small
Okay.
World Mickey. And I'm tending more towards Small World. And
Okay.
let's see if I am right. And I was right. It's a Small World Mickey.
And this is the first one we got from the It's a Small World
Yes.
collection. One time, I got stuck on It's a Small World.
It's a Small World?
It's a Small World.
After all.
I regretted all of my life decisions whenever that happened. That was not fun.
Okay, this next one.
Oh, you already ready?
Yes, this next one is also a Mickey.
Okay.
So, let's guess Space Mountain Mickey.
Okay.
Oh, no. No, it's not. This is Jungle Cruise Mickey.
Look at how cute he is. Oh,
Oh my gosh, super cute.
adorable. Let's let her keep guessing. All right, Mama, who is it?
I'm guessing It's a Small World Minnie.
And then we would have all of the
I am
minis.
correct. Here it is.
Perfect. Look at how adorable
Yeah,
she
super
is.
cute.
Oh,
Super,
so
super
stinking cute. Let's go put her with Mickey. Who do you think it is, Mom?
I believe this is Goofy, but I'm not sure whether it's Space Mountain Goofy or it could be Jungle Cruise Goofy. It is...
That's Space Mountain Goofy, right?
Yes, it is, because I was looking, wait, is that Pluto? No, this is Space Mountain Goofy. Look at his eyes.
Oh, he's super cute.
I think, do we have all of the Space Mountain ones now?
No, we do
need
not.
one more.
We need one more, and we're missing the Mickey Mouse from
We are
that.
the Mickey Mouse from that one.
Yep,
yes.
so let's
Okay,
put him with the rest. All right, Mama, who is it?
It's a small world after all. I believe
It's
this
a
is
small world.
Daisy Duck.
It's a small world after all. Do not get stuck on that ride.
There's Daisy.
Look at how cute she is.
Yes, there is Daisy. 2 to go. Two
Two
to
left.
go.
All right, Mama, who is
This
it?
one has to be Space Mountain Mickey, just by the ears. And it is. Here's Space Mountain Mickey, which leaves our final Jungle Cruise.
Goofy. You want to get him out?
Oh goodness!
We almost had a jumper. Oh, look at how cute. Let's show everybody all of our characters. Look at how cute they are. So adorable. We understand this venue isn't as aesthetic, but
Yes.
it is much quieter for the moment.
Yes, for the moment.
Yes, because the dog and the crinkles are not friends.
No, they are not.
No, and I kept showing her these, and then she would bite them and look at me and tell me I was a jerk. So,
Oops.
anything to say to your fans, Mama?
Thank you for joining us today in the rather dull, dreary office. But at least you don't have to deal with a whiny dog.
Bye, everyone.